Hello, my YouTube friends, one more time. And so we meet one more time, and I am here to help out my friends. How do I help out my friends? By keeping them away from the sharks. The sharks in these stores that fix laptops and computers like Best Buy, and they charge an arm and a leg. But we the poor people cannot do that. Or we will not be able to function or have computers. That's why I'm able to do and have and live like a king with computers, because I know how to fix them. So now, to make a long story short, because I'm talking too much right now, somebody bought me this Kindle Fire, and I noticed that there's a lot of problems with these USBs. So this one, the USB port was inside it. It couldn't be reached because it sunk inside the thing. So these things are not really that hard. They look intimidating, but they're actually not intimidating. What you do is you look for there's a little, usually in the corner, and you find the first lock. But I need to get wait a minute, folks. I need to get a credit card to do this, or some kind of plastic. Let me look at my wallet for a minute here, see what I find. Let's see. I found an old debit card that I'm not using, so I'm going to use that. The debit card. It's plastic and it doesn't damage stuff. This is made out of steel. It's good for to get the first. But then we have to deal with the Wait a minute, folks, give me a second. Okay, folks, so I went back to my knife. The knife works better. I don't want to keep taking the plug in and out of here until it really sets. It should be set, because I use a strong epoxy to glue that back in there. So you just keep going around and trying to break the locks open, without, of course, breaking the Kindle. I already did it. I should have showed it to you when I had already opened it. But I want to show you the inside. Once I get one of these locks, you just got to take it easy. You can't. I don't want to set it on top of the wood. You get it good. Okay, folks, so we finally open it. Here it is. So now, this is where the switch goes. Where the USB port is connected. It goes in there. Now it goes, there's two screws. There's one here and one here. What happens is that the housing is where the screws are at. And the top piece attaches to the housing in the bottom through some type of tack welding, and electric tack welding, and they do it very cheaply. So, to make a long story short, folks, I took epoxy and I mixed two parts together, the hardener and the epoxy, and I glued it in there. That's what I did. I glued it in place. This one was able to do this to this one. Some of them might not be able to glue it, but you could solder it. I could solder it too, because I have a solder and I know how to solder. I've been soldering since I was 16 years old. In high school, I took up radio and TV. So there you go, folks. Easy, simple fix. See? Now, I just put it to the wall. It took a long time to charge. It's charging. It's only halfway now. See, when you put it back, make sure you see where the speakers are. These are the speakers, and these are the speaker right here, where the speaker sound comes out of. So you know that you're in the right spot when you put it back. See? Simply press it back into place. Press it into place. This is pressurized. By pressure, it's clipped in. It's locked in place. See? Everything is locked in place. Right? See? So everything is locked in place. Now let's see if it works. It's on. But it's still not completely locked in place. Kindle 5. There it goes. There you go, folks. So I charge her $60 to do this. Now, she said she was a little short on money. I said, give me 50. So I did it for 50. $50. Okay? So it's a simple fix. Just have to be handy a little bit. Be patient. Take the locks out little by little. You could use something like this. They have very thin stuff. A special, you could use a card. You could use a guitar. A guitar, a nail. A guitar pick. You can use that. Just be careful. Be very careful and be very gentle. And you should be okay. And you should save yourself a lot of money. If this would have been my Kindle, I could have bought it cheap. Maybe 10, 20, maybe $20. I don't know. Because they take it to Best Buy, see what they do. See if they could fix it. How much they charge. Okay, have a nice day, folks.